Hello, wonderful men and women of good conscience, great lovers of freedom. How are you all doing today? Welcome back to this is our channel. Remember, the goal remains to create awareness for Biafra restoration, for freedom restoration. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already. Turn on your notification bell so you will get notified whenever we upload new videos. And always endeavor to share, because you are helping someone, because you are making someone aware of what is going on. And I will let you watch this. I'll let you watch this, like the video, share it out, share it in any group, share it widely. Watch it to the end, and I will see you in the next one. Hi everyone, how are you? I hope we are doing all right. This beautiful house is a house of one Honorable Ekene Nnamdi in Obibi Awo-Idemili in Osu local government area of Imo State. It was allegedly. Allegedly, but adero sure. Ijiro tangible evidence about it. That's what allegedly means. When they were busy calling IPOB allegedly. So this is allegedly set ablaze by unknown angels, unknown men. Well, this beautiful house. Too bad. I said the man don't join bad gangs. Well, they no pour plenty fuel. They no get plenty days where they will pay for the house. Well, you know what happened in this life? When you are saying something you don't know, when you are saying something to be against a group of people or someone, let me tell you the truth. When heaven will meet you, Mbibi. When heaven will meet you, it is Mbibi. So, anything you have to be careful. You say only what you know. When you are acting, you act as a wise human. You don't act because you want to please a group of people. See, IPOB have done nothing wrong. But all of you who have a hand in one way or the other, all of you pointing fingers. Bello. So I'm going to let you watch this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And again, I said, this is a house of one Honorable Ekene Nnamdi. It was allegedly set ablaze, mistakenly, by unknown men. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already. Share this video out. If you like what we do, thank you, and we'll see you in the next one. Hear him out.
Everything happened. Good morning.
It happens that can one dot midnight. So they come and attacked me. I ran away. I jumped off from my suit. That's a story building. They are chasing me. I could not be able to know what to do. But eventually, they made up their mind. Because the owner of the house asked me that I should not challenge those more than 3 or 4.
So, as you come back this morning now, can you tell us the level of damage will happen for you?
Through this camera now, level of damage. Is that building I'm to talk of, or free refrigerator, or the sheets, or whatever, even emergency fan, all the sources of. There's no video this soundproof. They pour whatever there, and they put it fire. But God so far, I don't know whether it can be mechanized or whatever.
So this main building now waiting.
Let's go there and you witness. Follow here. Witness. Everywhere. Till up. To the end. And there. Everywhere. Huh?
So now the main house of the Attorney General, wey im name na CAC Akaolisa. So the report we hear. So here na the personal room of the Attorney General, and this na the level of damage wey happen for here. So we dey like now for the Attorney General house, wey im name na CAC Akaolisa for Imo State. Here na im residential building for im village for Awo-Idemili for Imo State. The last event wey we see the Attorney General, that yesterday event wey the governor attend yesterday for the police. The Attorney General bin follow the governor come that assignment yesterday, where the governor come bring new security units, where they say the name na Rapid Response Squad, where the governor launched yesterday. And the governor now don say the government now ready to partner with the security agency to ensure say they bring Imo State back to how it used to be. Because the governor be dey worry say the state now one of the peaceful states where they for Nigeria and the southeast. So we go still they bring on a more update as we still they expect a report from the Nigeria police, and we go still they expect report from the state government too. On a good afternoon.